Today's tutorial, how to trim Excel worksheet cell ranges in C#. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to explore how to trim cell ranges using IronXL. Trimming essentially just removes empty cells, making your data cleaner and more manageable. So to get started, ensure the necessary IronXL library is imported. You'll need to download it from the NuGet package manager if you haven't. In the program CS file, set your license key or trial key for full access to the library's functionality. First, we'll create a workbook and select the default worksheet. We'll then populate the cells within a specific column for demonstration purposes. After populating some of the cells in column A and column B, we'll focus on trimming down any unnecessary blank cells in our column. The trimming process will remove empty rows from the range. For example, if column A has blank cells, they'll be excluded, leaving only the filled cells. We'll start by retrieving the first column, index 0, from the worksheet using getColumn0. Next, we apply a trimming operation on the column to remove any empty or unneeded cells. And this is done by calling trim in parentheses on the column. Then we print out the total numbers of rows in the original column by accessing column.rows.length. After trimming, we also print the number of rows in the trimmed column by accessing trimmed_column.rows.length. All right, so let's run the application and see the result. Okay, notice how the range is trimmed down to remove the empty spaces from column A, reducing it from 4 to 2. And there you have it. Trimming a cell range in IronXL is a quick and efficient way to tidy up your data. So give it a try on all your Excel files. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronXL, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.